Want to create high-quality YouTube videos without a camera, fancy gear, or even showing your face? In 2025, AI tools can handle everything, from script to animation to voiceover. Whether you're on a budget or just want to work solo, here's how to build full videos using nothing but AI. First up, the script. GravityWrite is your AI copywriter for YouTube. It generates intros, main content, and even video hooks that are optimized for engagement and SEO. Just type your topic and tone, like educational, entertaining, or inspirational, and watch it go to work. Now turn that script into a voiceover with 11 Labs. This tool uses cutting-edge voice synthesis to create natural, human-like audio in multiple languages, accents, and tones. Paste your script, pick a voice, and get studio-quality narration instantly. Once you've got the voiceover, it's time to bring visuals to life. In video, AI turns your script into a full video, complete with stock footage, transitions, captions, and even background music. Great for explainer videos, listicles, and news-style content. Want animated scenes or avatars instead of stock footage? Use Kling AI or Hailuo AI. Kling creates hyper-realistic AI animations from prompts, perfect for storytelling or futuristic content. Hailuo AI lets you generate animated avatars and talking characters sync to your script. After creating your scenes, all that's left is to combine your voiceover with the visuals. In video, AI and most animation tools let you export everything in 1080p. Then just upload to YouTube, add your title, tags, and thumbnail, and you're done. Want to add subtitles or royalty-free music? InVideo has built-in libraries. Or use a tool like CapCut or Veed.io to make quick final tweaks. These are optional, but help your video feel polished. Creating faceless YouTube videos has never been easier or cheaper. With these AI tools, you can produce professional content solo, at scale, and without ever turning on camera. Want more AI toolkits like this? Hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment if you're launching your channel in 2025.